really, so is Badi Didi in Delhi Crime really that dark? It's like, it's what a deep breath.
Yeah. जो हमारे beliefs हैं, the things we've grown up on and what we stand for as a person. Sometimes as an artist, you have to do something which is completely the opposite. You know, and because I feel you understand it so well and you've seen it and you empathize with it, if you have to play like a diametrically opposite character, it really challenges you and it really fulfills you in some weirdly creative way. Like I'm all about like my girl gang and girls and you know women empowerment, whatever. Here I have to play a trafficker. Like that's just horrible. Because Badi Didi is also a victim of this.
Yeah.
You know, and in the backstory in her head, she must have also been like a child who was trafficked, and she also had to suffer so much, and she's also seen so much of violence and things. This little scar we've given her
Yes, I
in the
did
show.
notice that,
And
yeah.
me and Tanu, when we discussed it, we didn't want to define this car kahan se aaya. Was it because she got into a fight and it happened? Was it because she was hit, you know, by somebody? But it has to be ambiguous. But the fact is that you're witnessing violence. It changes you and it numbs you to violence. And then sometimes for people like that, the only way they can just express it is by being more violent themselves. And that is what I wanted to do through this character. So
Correct.
yes, it is a very, very disturbing and a dark character that I've played.
Also, like how you mentioned that she must have been a victim, and I feel that sometimes you don't understand that जो oppressed होते हैं ना वही oppressors भी बन जाते हैं.
Yes, absolutely.
And that's why you also see these cycles like जो एक basic सी चीज़ जो हम households में कहते हैं कि एक mother in law ही सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन होती है daughter in law की.
एक औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है.
हाँ.
मैं ना मरूंगी क्यों इगली में. एक मर्द ही मर्द का दुश्मन तो भी होता है ना. मतलब कौन कोई एलियन आके दुश्मन बनते हैं. But people don't get along. Right? If you and I were to not get along, it will be because we don't like each other as people. It's gender's got nothing to do with it. You know, similarly, two guys don't get along in like with a cat fight हो गई. Dog fight क्यों नहीं बोलता कोई?
And there is a stupid belief in our industry that actresses don't get along with each other, which I'm like, कौन से actress की बात कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग? Which act? I've worked with a lot of female actresses and they're phenomenal women.
Yep.
And I love and respect them tremendously.
I have some amazing girlfriends. And they really are there for me when I need them. Actresses, non-actresses, all of that. And I don't know what I will do without them.
So that I completely
you
agree.
know,
I don't think there is another stronger bond than your girl gang.
Yeah, oh, it's incredible. And I feel like, unfortunately, I don't think enough female friendship films or things get made
Yeah.
that actually show the full complexity of what that is. So I feel a strange kind of a kinship.
Empathy for,
yeah,
correct.
इसको यार इससे मैं झगड़ा नहीं करूँगी. चल उसको पीटते हैं.
Okay, so while you all get ready with your questions, there's one last thing I want to ask Shefali ma'am, because I've always wanted to ask you this, ma'am, which is I saw this film when like I was just
Short film.
Yeah.
I love that short film. I love
Juice.
that short film.
आपका उसमें कोई heavy dialogue कुछ नहीं है. But just that one thing that you do at the end, which is take the chair, पंखा अपने तरफ करना और juice पीना बैठकर. Oh my God, that spoke so much. Can you tell us about that film? Because I just feel so important and we see this happening अभी भी घरों में, right? जहाँ पर कोई guest आ रहे हैं या तो there are men sitting and having fun and women are in the kitchen.
Yeah. And so many times it's like, let the men eat first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mom and the other aunts will eat later. You've seen this all the time. About all the way that men treat women and etc. and patriarchy and all that, let's not forget that Juice was made by a man.
Yes, Neeraj.
Neeraj Gaiwan is a phenomenal director. Like one of the finest we have. There are small things. When that guy is throwing his bones, when she's collecting, she puts her hand out. वो टिश्यू लेने के लिए. That, and nobody underlines that in the film, but it's there. We knew we were doing it. So we have to accept that. So before we start beating the men over, let's first acknowledge that this was made by a man. Delhi Crime season 1 was made by a man.
Yes.
Season 2 also. Season 3 is made by a man. 3 of Us is made by a man.
Yes.
Jalsa is again made by a man. So all of that. Having said that, I have seen this happen in my household all the time. That last moment, I remember having Neeraj and me had a conversation. कि क्या करें? बोले? And I was like, no, yeah, Neeraj.
So
You know,
beautiful.
it's like, let's not say anything. Let it just be. You know, also, yes, it is a moment of rebellion, but it's also more than a moment of rebellion. It's a moment of acceptance of her place. It's
a
about,
silent
this
rebellion.
is my place. I'm going to own it.
How beautiful.
It's not just yours.
No, it's a beautiful short film.
You know, it's
Love that short
beautiful. It's one of the most amazing comments I got when that film released was, it was from a guy, a young guy, and he said, you know, I'm 25 or whatever, and he said, हमेशा सुना था माँ के खाने में प्यार होता है, अब पता चला माँ के खाने में गुस्सा होता है. It's such a beautiful thing.
Yeah, how lovely.
And
how
then
lovely.
it was a boy who realized it, na?
Yeah.
So thank God we have hope.
Of course we have.
You know,
We do.
And I genuinely believe, which when we did the DC one, and I said it even then, there are girls will be safe if our boys are raised right. You know, so that responsibility on parents is a very big responsibility.
And you are raising sons.
Yeah.
Madam sir.
Madam sir. All right, let's move to questions now.
My name is Ankita and I am also a Delhi girl. My question is for Huma ma'am, that you have portrayed a wide range of characters from Gangs of Wasipur to Maharani. What draws you to the character?
I try and like play female characters again with a lot of agency, with a point of view, perspective, opinion. And it doesn't matter that I always have to be the central piece of it or I have to always headline shows or films. But even in an ensemble, I feel like I should have something to do. I should take the story forward in some way. I hate the feeling when you go on a film set and you come back and you feel like, I didn't make a difference today. I didn't express myself fully today. It's the worst feeling in the world. It's like you're swimming and you can't really take a saans nahi aati hai. You know, it's like that kind of a thing. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, hello. First of all, amazing to meet you guys. I missed work because of this, so I hope no one from work is watching.
So sweet.
Oh my god, not for them. I'm a Neshi. Hi. So this is like more of a personal question from me because I'm also someone who loves writing, and a lot of my writing comes from rage and emotions. So one thing I keep getting a lot is, oh, you're too much. So how do y'all, or if you have ever experienced something like that, navigated that feeling of being called too much just for being yourself?
Honestly, I hear that all the time. You're too emotional, you're overreacting and all of it. And I'm like, अब भैया यही है. अब इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. This is face, this is human, this is it. I can't, it's too exhausting, yeah. It's too exhausting. And what? Feeling too much is a weakness.
Yeah.
You're getting blamed for feeling too much or expressing it too much. I mean, it's really annoying. And luckily, I'm just at that position of like, you know what, I can't do anything about it.
Being too much is your superpower. It is not a curse. It is not a problem. There's nothing to be fixed. Being too much means you are more than the rest. And that's always a great thing. So I would say, freaking lean into it, enjoy it, relish it,
And own it.
advocate it, own it, and also build a community around you that make you feel it's okay. Because you know what happens around us, if you have people who are constantly trying to be like, oh,
Pull you
you're too
down.
much, you're too
Yeah.
emotional, you don't need that kind of energy in your life,
True.
sister. You need people around you who just make you feel like you're the queen of your life. अपनी स्टोरी में तो हम मेन कैरेक्टर एनर्जी नहीं प्ले करेंगे तो क्या घंटा कर रहे हैं मतलब.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.